In the course Values Integration in Various Disciplines, I realized that every subject, even math, has values in it. While we were presenting, I suddenly thought that I should have appreciated and studied all my subjects back in high school. I didn't realize back then that it is not just about gaining knowledge in content, but it is also about the values that are related to whatever it is being taught in that subject. One challenge that I faced was trying not to think like and act like a values education teacher. I was creating a lesson plan and thinking of the activities that are fit to that topic or subject. And I really struggled because I kept focusing on values, which is wrong. For values integration, I should not be a values education teacher. I should be a teacher that are assigned to that subject, whether it is math or PE. I should teach as a math teacher or PE teacher. I realized that teaching and imparting values to students, it is not just limited on ESP subject.